Welcome to the Dance and Yoga Club. Today we have a tap tutorial for you. These are single shuffles. You go back and forth, striking the floor with your front toe tap. At no point during the shuffle does your heel touch the floor. Only when you step onto the other side. So I'll turn around. We go forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, and step. Other side. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, step. We're going to take it to the side. See how my knee is bent? My toe is pointing to the side of me. Try it on the other side, just striking the floor with your toe tap. Now, if your heel is striking it, bend your knees a bit more. Take it a little faster. 2, 3, 4, and step. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step. See if you can go even faster, striking that floor, forward, back, just with the front toe tap. Loosen those ankles. I'll turn to the side and show you what it looks like. Practice lots. If you have a hard time, bend your knees more, video yourself, and see if you're striking the floor with your heel. Good luck!